friends, welcome to my channel. I am Aishwarya. In this video, I am going to show you how to bleach your hair at home. It is going to cost you around 50 to 100 rupees. मेरे बालों के लेंथ के लिए it costed me 100 rupees और एक bleach का box का price था 50 rupees. So you can calculate it according to it. And I am totally in love with the results. जैसे ये मेरे बालों पे निखर के आया है. I'm really loving the way my hair looks now, and I really hope ये आपको भी पसंद आएगा. If you want to know how I achieve this look, please make sure कि आप इस वीडियो को शुरू से लेके एंड तक पूरा जरूर देखें. And वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet. It would really mean a lot to me. और सब्सक्राइब बटन के पास एक बेल बटन भी होगा, उसे प्रेस करना भी ना भूलें. उससे आपको मेरी वीडियो की नई वीडियो अपडेट्स मिलते रहेंगे. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. So to highlight my hair with the bleach, I am using this bleach over here. It's by Fame. And this is a face bleach, of course. So this costed me around 57 rupees, but the shopkeeper gave it to me at 50 rupees. And for the highlighting or bleaching your hair, you can use any bleach that you have, like the face bleach you have, and you can use that. It doesn't specifically mean that you have to use the Fame one. You can use of any other brand. So this was the first time when I opened a bleach box. I never really bleached my face, so this was the first time. And when I opened it, it came with the instruction manual, one bleach cream and one activator and few little spoons. This was so cute. I was like, really, this was so cute. I kept it with myself because I found it really cute. Trust me, I am 23 and I still believe in cute things. If I find anything cute, I keep it with myself. Let me know even if you are one of them, that if you find anything cute that you'll be keeping with yourself. Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read your comment. Well, so to mix the ingredients here, I have taken a glass bowl and a wooden spoon. So in this bowl, I have added one container of the face bleach or the Fame bleach. And then I added the activator which comes along with it. And then I mixed the both ingredients really nicely until the both ingredients combine together. So this is how my hair looked before I bleached or highlighted my hair, and I recorded this video after waking up and I had no makeup onto my skin. I just had lipstick onto my lips, so please don't be judgmental in the comment section below. And if you are going to follow the way which I'm going to show you in this video, please make sure that you wear any old cloth of yours, because this is going to ruin your shirt. Your hair is going to ruin your shirt or your dress, whatever you're wearing, it is going to ruin it. So please make sure that you wear any old cloth of yours. I am wearing an old kurti of mine which is super loose to me now. Anyways, let's move further. I'm going to comb my hair because we don't want any hair to interrupt in between. Once I was done combing my hair, I directly went on applying the bleach to my hair, and I didn't use any hand glove, and I'm either not going to use the foil paper thing onto my hair because I wanted this to be really super easy. Putting up gloves onto hands and using that foil paper thing, it is not really my thing, so I directly went it using my hands. And I directly applied the bleach onto my hair. I worked in sections, making sure that I do not cover the entire hair. I like as you're seeing in this video, but I would suggest you to wear the hand gloves because this later made my hands super dry and I don't want this to happen with y'all. So please make sure that you wear hand gloves and do this. And while you're bleaching or highlighting your hair, make sure that the bleach doesn't reach to your scalp. It may irritate your scalp, so please make sure कि आप वो ध्यान से करें. And please make sure that you use a little amount of bleach, because a little bleach is going to go a long way. I might seem that I might be applying a little bleach over here, but in the end you are going to see the result. Even in the starting of the intro, you might have seen how powerful the bleach works. So please make sure that you work with a little amount of bleach in the beginning. फिर अगर सबको रीटच या टचअप जो भी करवाना है तो आप सेकेंड टाइम वैसे कर सकते हो, लेकिन शुरुआती में थोड़ा सा ही ब्लीच लगा के स्टार्ट करना, because you never know how it is going to work on your hair. It is going to depend on hair to hair, of course, but still make sure that you work in sections and in times. Like अभी थोड़ा bleach लगा लो, फिर उसके बाद क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा भड़कीला टाइप जो कहता है वो हो जाएगा, then you're not going to like it and then you're going to blame me. Please make sure that you use very little amount of bleach in the beginning. Once I was done applying the bleach to my hair, like once I was satisfied like the way the bleach looked on my hair, so after that I let this sit onto my hair for about 40 minutes straight. And please make sure that you do not extend more than 40 minutes or you might feel your hair a little rougher after you wash your hair. So please make sure that you let this sit for 40 minutes only. This was 15 minutes prior I applied the bleach. It was changing its color, so I recorded it. I don't know camera के ऊपर उतना pick हो रहा है कि नहीं, but yeah, it was changing its color, so I recorded it. And once I completed 40 minutes, I was so much happy. I went and rinsed my hair with the normal water and I applied conditioner so that it softens my hair. And this is how my hair looks. I was completely shocked that it made my hair look so amazing that I couldn't even believe कि इतना अच्छा लगेगा मेरे बालों के ऊपर. And I told you a little bleach is going to go a long way, and you can see the result over here. I really love the way it looked onto my hair and I really hope that you loved it too. If you are going to give this a shoot, please let me know your views in the comment section below. And if you have any sort of questions regarding to this video, please make sure that you comment below. I would love to help you. Well, that's it for this video. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई, so please make sure that you like this video. So मिलते हो next video में. Till then, bye bye, take care.
मुंडियां नू सूली उते टंगी रखदा मेरा नखरा ते तिखी तलवार